Oh man, I can't believe this. I thought I was recording, and I wasn't, and it kind of pissed me off. But yeah, I just kind of want to make a video on High Tide because they acquired a company called Smoke. Sorry, not Smoke now. Dank. I think it's called like Dank Shot Stop. I like this strategy. It's smart. They keep acquiring more and more e-commerce stores. So when legalization does happen in the United States, they can easily come in with with all their customers that they got. Like this company they acquired called DankStop has almost 200 million email subscribers, and then if you combine that with Smoke Cartel and um you know what like Grass City and Fab CBD and a bunch of that, they would have a lot of email subscribers. And what could happen is when legalization does happen in the United States, and if they are able to sell MJ online, they can easily send millions of emails to their clients, and then their clients will be aware of their shop, and then you get a huge influx of customers coming into your e-commerce website ordering, and then that could be like an overnight instant huge revenue generator over a course of a quarter would be huge amount of revenue. We could be talking about $500 million of revenue easily if High Tide was able to like in a quarter. If High Tide was able to sell MJ online, if that's what I'm thinking. I don't know for sure. That's just all pure speculation on my part. But their revenue could run up dramatically once full legalization happens in the United States, and you know long term shareholders could get handsomely rewarded. But that's just my opinion. We'll see what happens. I don't think High Tide's gonna get pumped tomorrow. But who knows? We'll see. I mean, they could go back to $9, So we'll see what happens. But I really think that retail investors are not responsible for moving High Tide stock. I think it's big money. But hey, that's my opinion, and you know, we'll. I could totally be wrong, and retail investors could move High Tide stock. Brett Wall Street bets talk about High Tide, and it gets pumped to the moon. Wait, but Wall Street bets are only allowed to talk about companies that are in the $1 billion market cap, and High Tide is not in the $1 billion market cap. So I guess there's rules about pumping stocks, and only pump stocks that are over $1 billion in market cap. So tough luck. Anyways, this is the Smoke Dank Stop. It's they have 324,000 Instagram followers, and they have a lot of emails, and they have their own specialty products, and this opens up the accessory side of for High Tide, giving High Tide more access to different unique smoking accessory products. So I think I think High Tide's on the right track to succeed as a business. I think their strategy is awesome, and I hope hope their business the best. But stock wise, I don't know. The lower it goes, the more of an opportunity it becomes. I mean, if it goes back to like $3, that's like a no brainer. No, that's down here is like no brainer territory. It'd be like, are you an idiot not to buy down there? It's kind of like that scenario. So anywhere between this price and this price, I would say the lower it goes, the more of a buying opportunity it becomes. Dollar cost average, hold long term, and you will probably get rewarded. But you can also do the strategy of swing trading it. I did some swing trading on High Tide, but And markets are scary. If the market crashes, high tech could go down to $3. Just saying. So we'll see what happens at the end of the day. I checked out this new show called Never Have I Ever Season 2. It was rated the #1 show in Canada. So I was like, hey, you know what? I'll check it out just because it was the #1 show in Canada. I gave it, the first episode, and I was like, hey, it's not bad. And then it kind of went downhill. But, there's one thing I kind of want to point out here. See, this guy right here, they portray him in the show as like, a really hot person. But the one thing I kind of want to point out is it's kind of like the reality of humans. Humans are not born equally. Some people are born, blessed, where they are attractive and girls throw themselves at them, and they never really have too much struggle in life. And then other people are born in poverty and are struggling through life, or they're born ugly, or then some people are born rich and never have to worry. So every human has every different situations, and my situation is I was born unblessed. I wasn't born with smarts. Like, I was never a really intelligent person. My grades in school were like mediocre to bad, and it's just, and I have terrible English. So and it was really like my life wasn't that great. That's just how if I look back to my past and I look back to now, my life is not that awesome. At least I don't have to like work every day. That's, I think, my blessing on that. So anyways, thanks for watching, and subscribe for future updates, and have a great, oh man, I got like 15 more seconds to go. AMC is getting pumped in the pre-markets. Just be careful with this one. I think it could go back to $60 here. I think what I think is happening is like a little bit of manipulation. I think that there are people in the option market that I'm thinking that rich retail investors pump the stock to make the options more valuable, because if the stock price goes up, the options prices go up too, which enables them to make even more money. So that's the reason why I think markets get pumped, because the people in the option markets make a lot of money when the stock price goes up. That is my opinion. We'll see what happens. GameStop, I don't like GameStop is also getting pumped too. It's hard for me to see like regular retail investors go in and be like, I'm gonna pump GameStop, AMC, all the meme trading stocks. It's just hard for me to see that, but that's just the reality of it right now. And the overall market's pretty good today. I thought it was gonna be red. Looks like that dip was an opportunity. I guess, and in life, anything that happens, I mean, in the stock market, any kind of dip is an opportunity. I thought it was gonna break down, but it looks like a dead cat bounce. I mean, I thought it was gonna break down and go below the 50-day moving average and just be a really bearish time, but that's not the scenario. It had a 1-day big correction, and now it's going to new to all-time highs again. That's just how the markets work. Anyways, that's it for my video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.